So over here, you can see that I have a Python code, and if I were to hit the run button right here, then it will actually go ahead and throw in an error like this because there is a problem in this code. But if you want to go ahead and quickly debug it, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and copy this right here and then go around onto Kimi and simply go ahead and paste this code right here and simply type in debug right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, it'll analyze that code right here that you've given to it, and it says it looks like there are a few typos in your code, and here is the corrected version right here. Like for example, it says input should be input, float should be float, and num1 should be num1. So let me just go ahead and copy this and then go back right here and then go ahead and paste this and now hit the run button. And now the code works, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then debug out the program easily inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe